Hey guys, welcome back, Monkas here. We're still working on Questionly, but it's coming along quite nicely. I recently started a new job, just 2 days ago in fact, so I'm going to be a bit busier, at least during the day, and then in the evenings and sometimes in the mornings I'll probably, and definitely the weekends, I'll still be working on Questionly. We're going to get it built, and then once it's sort of built and we've got our MVP, I'm going to start a marketing campaign, which should be fun too. Until then, I thought I'd do a little progress update. I haven't done too much, like I said, I just started a new job. But what I did do is, before we were using Joplin, let's open that up. We were using Joplin to sort of keep track of what we were doing, and which is okay. I'm still probably going to use that for YouTube, but I thought I'd try and make it a little bit more official. Let's see what you can see. A little bit more official by, official is the wrong word, but just improving the process by adding something called a project on GitHub, or projects, and it's a task board for Questionly, as you can see. So I was mainly playing around with this. I've used the automation template. So what you do is you can create an issue. So for example, I might have an issue which is create views for question and question board models. I think that's a spelling mistake, but that's fine. So we create an issue, and the issue is literally just comprises of a title and a description, which I happen to make these checkboxes. And then along the right hand side here, you can sort of add it to the project. So I added it to the project, and the second you create a new issue, it will automatically get added to the to-do list and the project. On top of this, I've linked a pull request to it, where actually, we can probably look at it. I was playing around here, so this probably looks a bit confusing. Can we look at the commits, or look at the files changed? It's probably easier. So I just wanted to add question and question board to the admin, which I've just put part of this pull request in feature. I wouldn't be doing anything like that, but I just did it. So if we go back to the project, we can see once I added the pull request to that, it automatically put that pull request through here. So added models to admin, and then the pull request is what gets pulled across, basically, in progress, and then review in progress, review approved. Now right now I'm the only one working on this. Hopefully in the future that might change. So for now, essentially I'll be merging my own code, and when the code is merged, it sets a flag here, manage automation. So once it's merged and a few other criteria, it will automatically get moved and done, and then once I close the issue, it will get removed from the to-do list, and I think we can archive it or something like that. So I think this is much nicer. So we're starting to get a bit of a better Git flow now. So the Git flow pretty much is, we create an issue, and so if I, for example, if I remove this, I'm not sure if I can, or I can remove it by doing that. So if we go into project, go on Questionly, we can now see that we've only got this one. So essentially the flow is going to be this: there's a bug or there's a new feature we want, so we create an issue, and then we click on that. When we're on the issue, we click on projects, and we automatically assign it to Questionly. Well, we assign it to Questionly manually. This will automatically put it in the to-do list column, and then once we start working on it, we make an initial pull request. We add that pull request to Questionly as well. So if you go on the pull request, and this is something I had to learn actually, this was different. So I thought I could just link the issue, the pull request to the issue, but that doesn't work. So we need to actually link the pull request to the project, and then we can link it to the issue as well. But once we add this to Questionly, you can see it will automatically go to in progress. So we don't put it there, it automatically gets put there. So it's quite neat. So our flow is create an issue, which is going to be our description of a problem. then I can assign that to someone, or assign it to myself. I can make a pull request, I can add a few commits. That's going to be automatically in progress, and then eventually that code will get code reviewed or peer reviewed and merged. At the moment I'm the only person doing it, so I'll just merge it automatically when I'm happy with it, and then I'll basically it will just automatically get removed from the board when we're happy with that. Now, I guess going forward you'd probably want more columns. You'd probably want something like QA, so you would have someone, so you'd change the code and then you'd have someone testing it manually using the website interface or doing something just to make sure it works. Maybe make sure it works on mobile, make sure it works on the website and the app. So that's pretty good. I haven't got the server running. I guess I could quickly do that. QAPI, which again is just an alias I created. QApp. And actually that's all I need for now. Close this. Let's wait for this to load. I did have a spelling mistake, which is annoying. So here I put discover the worlds, then hyphen dash whatever it's called, apostrophe, and then questions. So I had a spelling mistake here. You can watch a previous video, and that's it. I haven't done anything else. Next you'll be able to click on my boards. I've got the models, of course. So yeah, I'm just working on the views now for my boards. Once I've got the views, that'll be it on the back end, and then I'll be able to actually start creating the front end. So you'll click on my boards and it's going to be typical CRUD. It's going to be create board, retrieve board, I forgot what the U stands for, but delete, update, that's it. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm quite excited by it. It's starting to look, it's starting to feel a bit more professional. I feel like I'm at a stage now where if I did want someone to come on board and work with me, then I would be able to manage that, which is a step in the right direction. So that's cool. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.